G'day guys, my name's Nick, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your service light on your Nissan X-Trail. So you can see the service warning up here saying service due now. So what we want to do is use these buttons on the steering wheel to navigate through the settings menu. So we'll just go across until we get to the settings. We'll enter it by clicking on this button here. Now what we'll do is scroll down until we get to maintenance. We'll click on that, this button here. And now you can see service, air filter, tyre or other. Now some of these other ones might not be set, so we can just go into service, and you can see here that we just press the OK button, confirm the reset, and that will carry out the service reset. There we go. So we can go back now, and you could check these other ones to see if any of these are set, but in this case none of them are set. So that's all we need to reset on this one, is our oil service. So now it's reset for 10,000 Ks. So there you go guys, that's how you reset the service light on your Nissan X-Trail. If this video helped you reset your service light, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Cheers guys.